Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix DaVinci Resolve no sound. So let's get straight into it. The first check is that we check IE preferences. So DaVinci Resolve often fails to switch audio outputs automatically when you plug in headphones or change device. So in the DaVinci Resolve, let's go here to the uh, top left and then click on DaVinci Resolve and then Preferences, just like that. Now select the system here in the uh, System tab, and then you have here Video and Audio I/O, and look at the Release Audio to Background checkbox. If checked, Resolve will mute when you click another window. So let's hit Output Device, just like that, Input Device, and yeah, after that, uh, what you need to do is sometimes you just need to restart the DaVinci Resolve, or you don't need to do that. So it depends. But if you change here output device, uh, in most cases it solves the problem. Now, if you see that your meters are moving, um, but you don't hear anything, the internal routing may be disconnected. So go to the this musical note icon and ensure that the dim or mute buttons are um, are not active. So right here you see this is active. Now they are off. So make sure that this is not active. Now go to the Fairlight menu at the top, really top, click on it and then select Patch Input Output, just like that, and says Set Source to Bus Output. Right here you will see it, and destination to audio outputs. Make sure your bus 1 left right is patched to your physical hardware outputs. And yeah, this is basically how you can solve your sound problem in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.